For this project I used double knit weight yarn in grey, purple and mustard. My preferred colours are black, purple fuzzy yarn and mustard. 3mm crochet hook, yarn needle and scissors. The approximate finished size at its widest parts is 4 by 4 inches. List of the abbreviations I used is in the description. Round 1. With grey yarn, chain 17. From the back loop of the second chain, single crochet 15. Single crochet 4 into the last chain. Working around the other side of the chain, single crochet 14. Single crochet 3 into the next stitch. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round for a round total of 36 stitches. Round 2. Chain 1 and single crochet 1 the same stitch. Single crochet 14. Single crochet increase 1, half double crochet 1 and double crochet 1 into the same stitch. Double crochet 1 and half double crochet 1 the same stitch. Then single crochet increase 1. Single crochet 14. Single crochet increase 1 and half double crochet 1 and double crochet 1 into the same stitch. Double crochet 1 and half double crochet 1 into the same stitch, and then single crochet 1 into the last stitch. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round to finish for a round total of 44 stitches. Change to purple yarn and work the rest in rows. Row 3. Chain 1 and single crochet 1 the same stitch, and single crochet 15 for a row total of 16 stitches. Rows 4 and 5, chain 1, turn and single crochet 16 for a total of 2 rows. Row 6, change to grey yarn, chain 1 and turn, and single crochet 16 for a row total of 16 stitches. Row 7, chain 1 and turn, single crochet decrease 1, single crochet 12, single crochet decrease the last stitch for a row total of 14 stitches. For rows 8 and 9, chain 1 and turn, single crochet 14 for a total of 2 rows. Row 10, chain 1 and turn, single crochet decrease 1, single crochet 10, and single crochet decrease the last stitch for a row total of 12 stitches. For rows 11 to 12, chain 1 and turn, single crochet 12 for a total of 2 rows. Row 13, chain 1, turn, single crochet decrease 1, single crochet 8, single crochet decrease the last stitch for a row total of 10 stitches. Row 14, chain 1, turn, a single crochet 10 for a row total of 10 stitches. Row 15, chain 1 and turn, single crochet decrease, single crochet 6, single crochet decrease the last stitch for a row total of 8 stitches. Row 16, chain 1 and turn, single crochet decrease, single crochet 4, single crochet decrease for a row total of 6 stitches. Row 17, chain 1 and turn, single crochet decrease, single crochet 2, and single crochet decrease the last stitch for a row total of 4 stitches. Row 18, chain 1 and turn, single crochet decrease twice for a row total of 2 stitches. Row 19, chain 1, turn, single decrease 1 for a row total of 1 stitch. Repeat these entire instructions to make another exactly the same. Round 20. Place the working piece on top of the other, lining up the stitches. Chain 1 and single crochet 64 along the edge of each row and stitch around. At the tip of the hat, half double crochet 1, double crochet 1 and half double crochet 1 all into the same stitch for a round total of 67 stitches. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round to finish. Cut yarn, fasten off and sew any loose ends. Double up the mustard yarn and use it to sew a buckle shape over the hat band. Approximately 6 stitches from either side. Sew all loose ends and you're done. Make it in different colours. Okay, love you, bye.